often hear and read cases of carbon monoxide poisoning in cars, so it was really very important to find an adequate solution to this problem. We made a team and analyzed the problem.
We all know that carbon monoxide is a dangerous, odorless and toxic gas. It is highly toxic to animals and on inhaling it on a large scale, it can also lead to death. Our project is made on the basis of design thinking, which has 5 basic steps. The first step is empathize, in which we visited local workstations in order to analyze the problem.
Our next step was to define the problem. Our problem is carbon monoxide poisoning in cars. In cars, carbon monoxide is formed due to incomplete combustion of oxygen and fuel. When the car is moving, the carbon monoxide gas moves out of the car easily through exhaust fans. But when the car is stationed, the carbon monoxide gas starts accumulating inside the car, leading to carbon monoxide poisoning in cars.
On brainstorming with our team members, we found out that there are many different solutions to this problem. We found and zeroed in on the final idea of using MQ7 cells.
On the basis of our idea, we have made a prototype. This is our prototype. This is the MQ7 sensor, which is connected to the Arduino brain. When the sensor senses excessive of carbon monoxide, it gives signal to the Arduino brain, and the brain gives command to the motor, which starts rotating. And when the motor rotates, the gear connected to it also starts rotating, resulting in the mechanical opening of it.
Here you can see the current level of carbon monoxide in the environment. It is around 40 ppm and it is a safe level. The windows get automatically open as soon as the level crosses.
As you can see, when the level of carbon monoxide increased, the mechanical window opened itself. Here you can see the present level of carbon monoxide level.